Hello everyone. If you want to represent any financial data such as revenue, expenses and profits, then creating a column chart is the best option for you. Moreover, it can be used for sales analysis, market research, project management and data analysis. So, this is Zehad Rian from Exceldemy, and today we'll learn several methods on how to create a column chart in Excel. So, the first question occurs, what is a column chart in Excel? A column chart is a type of chart which is used to represent data using rectangles or columns. This chart is used to show data change over a time period or to compare different items in a certain case. In today's video, I'll be showing two methods to create a column chart in Excel, and for describing the whole methods, I'll be using the dataset where I have the name of the month and their cells in column B and C. In the whole video, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 365 for better understanding. So without any further discussion, let's get started. In our first method, we want to create a 2D column chart. To do that, we'll select the cells of B4 to C10. Go for the Insert tab, and in the chart section, go for the Insert column or bar chart. In the drop down section, you have got the 2D column section. You can choose any of the chart according to your wish. If you select it, then you have got the perfect 2D column chart here in Excel. In our new method, we want to create 3D column chart. So, at first, we'll select the B4 to C10 cells, go for the Insert tab, and in the chart section, we'll go for the Insert column or bar chart. Here, you'll find the 3D column section. Choose any of the 3D column according to your wish. And now, if you have chosen, then you have got the perfect 3D column chart in Excel. So, we have already showed you how to create a column chart in Excel. But in previous methods, we have created charts consist of a single column or bar chart. But this time, we want to create a column chart with multiple bars in Excel. For this, we have a new dataset where we have the name of the month, product 1, product 2 and product 3 cells in column B, C, D and E. So, at first, we'll select the B5 to E11 cells, go for the Insert tab, and in the chart section, we'll move on again for the Insert column or bar chart, and now in the 2D selection, we'll go for the clustered column. Now, in this section, you will see that every month have multiple product cells, which is showing by the first column, second column, and third column. So, I've got the perfect column chart with multiple bars in Excel. At this point, we want to customize the column chart in Excel. To do that, we'll go for the modification of the chart title. We'll go for the chart title, and here we'll remove the chart title and write down the name according to our wish. So we'll write down the sales analysis as our new chart title, and now we'll click here, and so we'll get our perfect chart title modification. You can easily select the whole chart and go for the chart design and select any of the new styles here in this section to get the new chart design here. To change the chart text color, you'll select the certain text, go for the format section, and here you'll find the shape styles section. If you go for the shape fill, then you can choose any of the color according to your wish. If you have chosen correctly, then you have got the perfect result here. You can also change the text color by going for the word art styles, and here you'll go for the text fill, and you can easily go for the text fill according to your wish. If you want to change the axis of this section, then click any of the axis. Now right click on it, and here you'll find the format axis. Click on the format axis to open the format axis window at the right side. Here in the axis options, you'll find the bound section where 0 is minimum and maximum is 2500. If you have selected the 3 1500 as the maximum value, then it will change the section like this. If you click the enter button, then it will show the perfect result here in the chart section. You can also go for the automatic access value option. If you click on it, then it will change the values according to your wish. Now you can also go for the maximum value. You can select it and it will show the value from higher to lower. If you select automatic, then it will show the previous one. So that's how we can easily format the access option also. If you want to change the legend, then at first select the legend section. Right click on it. Here you will find format legend. Now in this section you can choose any of the position. Suppose you want to show it top, select it. If you want to modify it in any other section, then go for it. So that's how we can easily customize the column chart in Excel. We want to talk about different types of column charts. Select the B5 to E11 cells, go for the Insert tab, and in the chart section, go for the Insert column or bar chart. Here, at first, we'll select the clustered column, which will look like this. But now, we'll go for our next type, which is stacked column. And if you click on it, then it will show you the result like this. After that, you can also modify it by going into the third type, which is 100% stacked column. If you choose it, then you have got this kind of result. So that's how we can use different types of clustered charts that are available in Excel. Now we want to explore different types of 3D column chart also. So at first we'll select the B5 to E11 cells, go for the Insert tab, and in the chart section we'll go for Insert column or bar chart. Here we'll go for the 3D column. So select our first column, which is the 3D clustered column. If you select it, then you'll got a perfect result in the first section. Now you'll move on and go for our second type, which is 3D stacked column. If you click on it, then the chart will change like this. After that, you can also go for your third type, which is 3D 100% stacked column. If you click on it, then you'll get your perfect result here. Now we'll go for our last type, which is the 3D column. If we click on it, then we have got the perfect result here. If we stretch the chart a little bit, then we'll get our perfect result of product 1, 2 and 3. So that's different kinds of 3D column charts for you. Suppose you have already created a column chart here in Excel, but now you want to add trend line with it. So at first you'll select the chart, but at the right side you'll have the chart element section. If you click on it, then at the right side you'll find the trend line option here. If you click on it, then you have got the perfect trend line with column chart in Excel. In the last phase, we want to show how to create a column chart with secondary axis. And to do that, we need to change the dataset a bit. We need to add a new column called Sales Change in column D. So at first we'll go for the D6 cell where we want to add a new formula, which is the C6 minus C5 and then divide it with the C5. If you click the enter button, then you get your perfect sales change here in the D6 cell. Drag down the fill handle to get the result for every cell. After that, we'll select the values of B4 to D10 cell, go for the Insert tab, and here in the chart section, you'll find Insert column or bar chart. Go for the 2D column to get the result here. But we don't have any secondary axis here. Then right click on the chart. Here you'll find Change Chart Type. And now the Change Chart Type dialog box has opened. Go for the combo option here, and here you will select the custom combination option. You'll go for the choose the chart type and access for data for you. So you'll go for the sales change and now right click on it as secondary axis. If you click OK, then at the right side you will see that you have got the perfect secondary axis here. So that's how we can easily create column chart with secondary axis in Excel. So that's it for today. You can follow these methods accordingly, or you can download the practice workbook from the link below. Hope this will help you. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comment section, or you can have a glance at exceldemy.com. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.